Hello everyone, today in this tutorial how to calculate the area of square using Python programs, ideally Pythons. File, new file, maximize, write a Python program to calculate area of square. S equal float or int. Here S is a variables for get the value of side of square, float input, and float is a data type input. Enter the value of side colon. Next, a is a variables, means area of side a as asterisk sign as. Then we want to print the value of a, so type the print the result is, or the value of, or the area of square, area of square is equal a. Next, press the F5 buttons. Okay, area of square dot py. Here area of square is a primary name and dot py is a secondary name or extension name. Enter the value of side like 2. Area of square is 4.0. Thank you. Any query you can ask me.